What is up, everyone? Today is Friday, August 14th, and we're about 2 minutes away from the open. We have gone and marked the overnight high and the overnight low here. Um, the market is trading above the VWAP. Important to note, yesterday we had a good day. Um, the 21 EMA is above the 9 EMA, so short-term trend is bearish, but the longer trend is bullish. For full transparency, we have been trading the same account since July the 9th, and today is July the 14th. So, hey, we're grinding this account. Our daily loss limit is set at 300. Our drawdown is about 700, and our balance is 184. Nothing but pure transparency for those who are wondering what it takes to become a trader. Let me tell you, it takes discipline, it takes mental patience, and it takes mental power, because it's not easy. Anyone who tells you trading is easy, they are lying to you, and that's it, they're lying to you. So we're gonna see what happens here. There's a bit of a downwards chop here, right? If you look here, there's been a sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy. It's kind of been a back and forth struggle of who's been in control here. So it's going to be interesting to see. There has been, if you look at the 30-minute chart here, there has been an uptrend since this long candle yesterday at open at 8:30, which we got 200 bucks on. Easy day yesterday. So let's see if the market adjusts back today or what happens. Market opens in 1 second. Market opens now. All right, let's make some money. Remember, we just want to take our money and run. We're not going to be greedy. No, never be greedy. Take money and run. That's what we preach, and that's what we do. And there's no point in being greedy, because greed kills. And remember, slowly is the fastest way to get to where you want to be. I don't know why here I gotta refresh the VWAP all the time, and it's always changing, which is annoying, but it is what it is. So here's the first candle. We gotta see how this reacts to the market and just sit and wait for a while. Hopefully everyone's good. Hopefully everyone has some sort of plans for the weekend. It's Friday and I'm already missing trading, even though we're in it right now. It's hard to describe, right? Growing up, I never wanted to go to work on Mondays, and with trading, I'm just so excited and pure joy. I can't wait to trade. All right, so this candle closed green. However, buyers weren't really in much control. There's not much volume on this candle. So let's see how the second candle reacts to that. And if there is, remember, the trend here has been a downtrend. It's kind of been back and forth, right? So there might be a zone here of resistance, which it might bounce off of, like right here, or it might just do the opposite and drop, because that could also happen. Because we did have that long green candle yesterday, so it might readjust. So let's just see what happens here. And remember, if there's a chop, and if we feel like it's a choppy day, then we don't have to trade. On choppy days, what I like to do is scalp, actually. So either we're scalping here or taking a couple of quick scalps. But you see, it's just back and forth, right? So green, red, green. $21 EMA is above the green EMA, and this is just not really any sort of anything here. But if it pushes up and we think there's going to be a pullback, we can always sell. So I think if it pushes here, I'm going to sell for a quick scalp. And we're going to do, since we're scalping, see, I could have sold there. That would have been a good spot, and I would have held that for a while. That's okay. Let's see how this candle closes. See, I hesitated over here, right? I wanted to sell here. Right here, I wanted to sell. I should have just done it. But I hesitated, and of course I missed it, and that happens sometimes, but we're not going to get FOMO because it is what it is. If you miss a trade, don't worry. Another will present itself, another will come. We are trying to protect these accounts to the best of our abilities, and that's what we're going to do. That is what we are going to do. I see this one close. Hopefully it's a bit of a pullback, and then we can readjust. It's approaching the VWAP here, right there. Push up so I can sell. Okay, we're in there. And let's see here. I'm gonna try to, hopefully it drops. Remember not to get too greedy, but there is some juice here for the drop. We want to hold this a little bit longer to see how it closes near the VWAP, which is really important in my opinion, because if it passes that, I feel like there is room for it to continue on a downtrend. Let's set this over here so we don't lose any money on this trade. And remember, the key is not to get greedy. Whatever we want to take a profit, but what is the profit that we want to take? So remember, greed kills. So what are we happy with? What are we not happy with? That kind of thing. If this goes down to red, I need to see this close red. I need to see this close red at the VWAP, past the VWAP, we're happy. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. That is nice. I'm gonna take that maybe, because if it closes there, if it closes red, that's good. That's a good sign. Let's hope that it closes red. And then we can always re-enter. Remember, we're not trying to get greedy in any way or form. We need this to close below the VWAP. It did. Maybe we'll set this to 25. And you know what? 120 is probably good enough. Let's see a little bit pushed down and we'll take it. I don't care. Oh, even better. 150, 160. There it is. Okay. What are we happy with here? 208. Set this to about 64. If this closes green or red, I mean 250. We're gonna take that at 200 or 250. Let's get it to 300. I don't want to get too greedy. So, boom, I'll take that. I don't give a fuck, baby. I don't give a fuck. We're taking that 250, baby. Friday is Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday, motherfucker. That's what we do around here, man. What's the point of getting greedy, man? It is what it is. 250 in 7 minutes of work. That's what we do around here. Patience pays off, my guy. Let's go. Now our drawdown is 1,000. We end the week positive. Never mind, up 373 one trade. That's what we do, man. Don't fuck around with this shit. All right, guys. It's Friday and I'm sad, but we'll see you guys on Monday because this is Rash and this is Futures made easy. And if I can do this shit, so can you. Peace.